Hello, beautiful souls and chosen ones. If you're watching this, know that the universe has guided you here for a reason. In life's darkest moments, when everything seems to be spiraling out of control, remember this: you are not alone. Each of us is on a journey, a spiritual quest filled with trials and triumphs. But before the dawn of greatness, there is often a night of struggle. This is the struggle before the breakthrough. It's easy to feel lost and overwhelmed when faced with challenges that seem insurmountable. But these moments, as painful as they may be, are not without purpose. They are the crucible in which your spirit is forged, the dark storm that precedes the vibrant rainbow. It is in these times of hardship that your true strength and resilience are revealed. You, dear chosen ones, are on the brink of something extraordinary. The universe has a way of testing those it deems ready for greatness. So, if you find yourself in the midst of chaos, take heart. This is your preparation phase, the precursor to your transformation. Comment 77 if you feel the spiritual connection and are ready for your breakthrough. This is your time to rise, to embrace your destiny, and to step into the powerful, luminous being that you are meant to be. What I'm about to reveal will change everything you thought you knew about loss and transformation. If you're seeing this video, it's no coincidence. The universe is speaking directly to you, preparing you for a profound awakening. Imagine standing in the middle of a vast desert. The sun blazes overhead, and a fierce wind strips away everything that isn't essential. This is the power of being stripped bare. It is an experience that, while initially disorienting and painful, ultimately reveals the core of who you truly are. When everything is taken away, when relationships, possessions, and superficial markers of success fall away, you are left with your essence, the indestructible spirit within. It's in this raw, unadorned state that you discover the strength you never knew you had. The universe, in its infinite wisdom, knows that to rebuild you stronger, it must first remove what no longer serves your highest good. Think of the mighty oak tree. In the winter, it sheds its leaves and stands bare against the cold, seemingly vulnerable. Yet, it is during this time that its roots grow deeper, anchoring it firmly to the earth. Similarly, your trials strip away the unnecessary, allowing your spiritual roots to deepen and your true self to emerge. You are being prepared for a purpose greater than you can currently imagine. Being stripped bare is not an act of cruelty, but a divine recalibration. It's a calling back to your authentic self, a reminder that your worth is not determined by external circumstances, but by the light that radiates from within you. This process is a sacred invitation to release old patterns, beliefs, and fears, making way for new growth, new possibilities, and new beginnings. In the depths of your being, there is a reservoir of resilience that you have barely tapped into. It's time to draw from this well, to rise from the ashes of what once was, and to step boldly into the unknown. The universe does not strip you bare to leave you empty. Instead, it clears the way for you to be filled with purpose, passion, and divine potential. Now, as you stand at the threshold of your breakthrough, remember that you are supported by the unseen forces of the universe. Comment 77 if you feel this spiritual connection. You are not alone, and your struggle is not in vain. The stripping away is but the first step in your extraordinary metamorphosis. Embrace it, for it is leading you to the revelation of your true, indestructible self. In the midst of chaos, when the world around you seems to be crumbling, remember this: you are a divine being, crowned with authority and grace. The storms of life may rage, but they cannot diminish the brilliance of your inner light. Just as a king or queen wears a crown to signify their sovereignty and power, you too are adorned with an invisible crown of spiritual authority. This crown cannot be tarnished by external circumstances or the opinions of others. It is a symbol of your inherent worth, your unshakable connection to the divine. When challenges arise and chaos threatens to overwhelm you, remember that your crown remains intact. It is a reminder that you are a chosen one, destined for greatness and purpose. Embrace the chaos as an opportunity to shine even brighter, to showcase the strength and resilience that lies within you. Let the storms of life be the backdrop against which your crown gleams with unyielding radiance. Your authority is not granted by the world, but by the very essence of your being. Stand tall, stand strong, and know that you are crowned in the midst of chaos, a beacon of light in the darkness. Life's trials are not meant to break you, but to forge you into something stronger, wiser, and more resilient. Like metal in the fire, you are being shaped and refined through the heat and pressure of your experiences. The forge of fire is where transformation occurs. It is where the impurities are burned away, leaving behind a purified and potent essence. Embrace the flames of adversity, for they are the catalyst for your growth and evolution. Each trial you face is an opportunity for transformation. It is a chance to shed old ways of thinking, old patterns of behavior, and old limitations that no longer serve you. The fire may be intense, but it is in the heat of the flames that you discover your true strength and potential. As you navigate the challenges and obstacles in your path, remember that you are not alone. The universe is guiding you, supporting you, and cheering you on as you undergo this metamorphosis. Trust in the process, trust in your resilience, and trust in the transformative power of the forge of fire. When you emerge from the flames, you will be like a phoenix rising from the ashes, renewed, revitalized, and ready to soar to new heights. Embrace the fire, embrace the transformation, and know that you are being forged into a being of unparalleled strength and beauty. Deep within you, there are roots that anchor you to the earth, grounding you in times of turmoil and uncertainty. These roots are invisible to the naked eye, yet they are the foundation upon which your unshakable growth is built. Like a seed planted in the darkness of the earth, your roots grow silently and steadily, nourishing you with strength and resilience. They provide stability in the face of life's storms, ensuring that you remain steadfast and unwavering in your journey. In the moments when you feel as though you are being uprooted, remember that your invisible roots run deep. They connect you to the earth, to the heavens, and to the infinite wisdom of the universe. Trust in these roots, for they are the source of your power and your endurance. As you continue to grow and evolve, let your roots spread far and wide, anchoring you in your truth and your purpose. Allow them to guide you through the darkest nights and the fiercest storms, knowing that they will always lead you back to the light. Embrace the growth that comes from the depths of your being, for it is in the darkness that your roots grow strongest. Let them be a testament to your resilience, your strength, and your unwavering commitment to rising, no matter the challenges you may face. You are a force of nature, grounded in the invisible roots of your soul, ready to bloom and flourish in the light of your own potential. In the divine ledger of the universe, every injustice you've faced is meticulously recorded. The pain, the heartache, the moments of despair, all accounted for in the higher court of cosmic justice. Trust that the scales are being balanced, that your restoration is not just a possibility, but an inevitability. The unseen hand of justice moves with precision and purpose, ensuring that every tear shed, every betrayal endured, every hardship overcome contributes to the grand tapestry of your life. The universe is a master weaver, intricately threading together the threads of your past with the promise of a brighter future. As you walk your path, know that you are not forgotten. Your struggles are not in vain, but rather a testament to your courage and resilience. The universe sees your pain and acknowledges your journey. Rest assured that justice will be served, that your restoration is on the horizon, and that the wounds of the past will be healed in due time. Trust in the unseen justice of the universe, for it is a force more powerful than any earthly tribunal. Your story is being written in the stars, and the final chapter will be one of triumph, redemption, and divine retribution. Embrace the knowledge that you are not alone in your struggle, for the universe is watching, waiting, and preparing to deliver justice in its perfect timing. In the crucible of humiliation, your voice has been amplified, resonating with a power that transcends the limitations of the physical realm. They may have tried to silence you, to diminish your light, but in doing so, they unwittingly set in motion a revelation of your true essence. Your story, your struggles, your triumphs, they all serve as a beacon of hope and inspiration to those who have walked a similar path. Your voice carries the weight of experience, the resonance of authenticity, and the cadence of truth. It is a voice that cannot be ignored, a voice that demands to be heard, a voice that speaks to the hearts of the broken and the lost. From the depths of humiliation, you have risen like a phoenix, your voice soaring above the cacophony of doubt and despair. Embrace the power of your words, for they have the ability to transform lives, to inspire change, and to ignite a flame of hope in the darkest of hearts. As you stand on the precipice of revelation, know that your voice is your greatest weapon, your most potent tool, and your surest path to enlightenment. Use it wisely, use it boldly, and use it with the knowledge that you are a chosen one, destined to lead others out of the darkness and into the light. Restoration is not simply about reclaiming what was lost. It is about the art of divine reinvention, the process of transforming your pain into power, your trials into triumphs, and your setbacks into stepping stones towards a higher purpose. For every trouble you have faced, for every obstacle you have overcome, know that the universe holds in store a double portion of blessings. Your suffering has not been in vain, but a necessary prelude to the abundance that awaits you. Embrace the concept of divine reinvention, for it is through the alchemy of transformation that you will find true fulfillment and joy. As you walk the path of reinvention, remember that you are not alone. The universe is conspiring in your favor, orchestrating a symphony of divine interventions to guide you towards your destiny. Trust in the process, trust in your resilience, and trust in the infinite possibilities that lie ahead. Your troubles are but a prelude to your triumphs, your setbacks but a setup for your comebacks. Embrace the art of divine reinvention, for it is through the crucible of transformation that you will emerge stronger, wiser, and more radiant than ever before. Your story is not over, it is just beginning, and the best is yet to come. You chosen ones have walked through the fire, endured the storms, and faced the shadows of your past. But in the midst of chaos, in the depths of despair, you discovered a light within that could not be extinguished. Your journey has been one of loss, of struggle, of transformation, but it has also been a journey of revelation, of empowerment, of divine purpose. As you stand on the threshold of your triumph, remember this: you are victorious. Your restoration is not just a dream, but a reality waiting to unfold. Like, comment, and share this video to declare that your story of triumph is inevitable, unstoppable, and divinely ordained. Share your story of transformation, of resilience, of reinvention, to inspire others on their own spiritual journeys. The world is watching, waiting, and ready to witness the extraordinary rise of the chosen ones. Your time is now, your destiny is calling, and your story of triumph awaits. Embrace it, embody it, and shine brightly as the beacon of hope and transformation that you were always meant to be. The universe has spoken, the journey continues, and the best is yet to come. Your story of triumph awaits. Let it unfold in all its glory, all its beauty, and all its divine perfection. The time is now. Embrace it, embody it, and watch as your triumph becomes the light that guides others on their own path to greatness.